What's up, you guys? It's Jose here. I am on my way to go pick up a friend who is going to be surprised by my other friends who built him a PC. Dang, we look Under Armour. What, Nike shorts?
No. All clubs.
Oh. You sure you don't want them?
I'll take half of one.
I was about to say.
So you're paying $250 for how long? Because you said $6 grand, so it's like 2 years. So when are you gonna try to get that done? Like soon?
As soon as possible. It's just I have other shit. Like get rid of all my debts I have, like credit cards, one medical bill, like $600. And once I'm done with that, then I'll be like, yeah, cool. Like with this check, I'll go over there.
Yeah, I'm thinking the plan is gonna be. I'll do the thing that you said, where it's like, oh, you know what, Juan? Before we head out, he left something in my car last time we drove here.
Yeah.
Which is funny because he actually because I drove him home yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
So it kind of works out, yeah. Can we just hold it? Alright, there you go, open it.
Open this?
Yeah.
That's the thing in there.
This is what you fucking left. Oh man, you take the tape off, huh? Alright, so, first things first, take a look at this.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Pretty sick, huh? Yeah, it's a poster, yeah.
You put it on the wall, yeah.
Yeah. No, we're not done, you motherfucker.
Oh god.
He's about to
Everything in
go.
this box is yours.
No. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a monitor.
For me?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is the fucking stand for it.
That's the stand for
Yeah, enjoy that. Here, open this one too.
Wait, why? Why? I don't deserve this.
What do you mean?
Open it, man.
I'm like, I don't deserve this.
Oh, I want something just like this. I want something just like this.
Now you're making his other bills harder to get.
I know. That's what I was thinking when you were talking to us too. I'm like, go play on the ground.
Yeah, I thought it was a present for everybody. I'm like, these assholes never said nothing. Like, I thought we're giving one for him, for me.
Oh.
That's what I thought. Oh, that's the reason I got mad. I got
like
mad
some Secret
because,
Santa.
yeah, I thought it was like, you guys did a Secret Santa without telling me?
Yeah, we had a fucking bet that you were gonna cry. You did it. That means I get money. We didn't bet money, but I guess there's money involved now.
My problem is, when I'm shocked, this is what they told me, that I'm shocked, so that sooner or later I'm gonna cry.
Okay,
Yeah,
cool.
I don't cry.
Take a
I
video
don't-
of that
you
and
still
send it to
haven't, like,
Jose.
It's gonna be when you guys are playing.
I fucking
Come on, you're winning. Why are you crying?
They don't see me crying.
It's gonna be there, or
too. Like, I'm really emotional right now. Like, what the fuck? I don't cry.
I think that's about it, right?
Yeah,
I think we're good.
I think we're good.
Alright, then Juan, yeah. When you, probably, I don't know when you're gonna get time to set it up, but when